Hello, what's going on? Welcome to Crypto for the Mass. This is Crypto Ray. In this video today, I'm going to be doing a review of my top pick ICO for February 2018. Absolutely, basically for this month, right? So before we get started, I want you guys to, at the end of this video, to tell me what you think about the ICO that I'm covering in this video, and if you have found any other ICO that you would want to recommend, please drop it on the comment section. All right, so guys, without making much ado, let's get started out immediately. All right, so for today's ICO review, I'm going to be reviewing about Dorado. Dorado is a very exciting project. I am going to be telling you more about this project in just a minute, but first of all, before we go straight into it, let us look at ICO Bench here and look at what they have here. Alright, here in ICO Bench they have a score of 4.1, which is very high score, which is very high score, and it's going to be starting. The ICO is going to be starting in less than 24 hours. Alright, so, and they want to raise $55 million in this ICO. Alright guys, having said that, so let's take a look at the website. Let's see what they have here in the website. Wow, in this website they have a very good information, a very lot of information here in the website. Alright, this is one of the best websites I've seen. So there's a video here showing being the first company to deliver pizza in the space. Wow, incredible. So they are a delivery company, and they work with robots, with drones, with artificial intelligence. All right, and they deliver to restaurants, to shops, and it is these robots that make these deliveries. All right, especially to remote and inaccessible locations. All right, so you can see that this company is being compared with likes of Uber, Airbnb, Alibaba. All right, so they have no real estate, they have no inventories, and so Dorado does not have fleet. All right, so you look at here, this company is an already established company, which is so important when reviewing or looking at any ICO. Alright, so this company, they started in 2014 and has made sales of more than $50 million plus, and they have raised a capital over $4 million. They operate in over 6 countries. They have a team of more than 200 plus people already working in the organization, which is very huge, right? And very wonderful. All right, so they already have a growth of more than 6,000% in 3 years. Wow. All right, then they have up to 4 million orders already, and their clients are above 1 million plus. So let's take an example. If you invested like $100, that means by today it will be worth $6,227. Very huge. So that is very huge. So this is what the app is going to look like. Right here in the app, you have artificial intelligence. You see the chatbot which notes down your orders, and also we have logistics platform that uses robots and drone. Right guys, so Dorado is already using this to deliver orders. You can watch that in the video. Alright, so let's take a look at the timeline of this ICO. Now this ICO starts February 7th 2018, which is less than 24 hours from the time of making this video, and it spans up to May 16, 2018. Well, I think that this is actually a very long time for this ICO, and I think that they may be able to reach their cap, their $55 million cap, before this time elapses. Alright, so looking at the investment now, look at the investment. If you invest, for example, $4,000 now with a token price change of 200%, alright guys, yearly, then you will get $924,260 in 5 years. Alright, so the dividends are being paid out quarterly. So this is great. Alright, now 7% of the dividends are being paid out to token holders, which is you and I. That actually is very, very good. So now the more the company grows, the more the token appreciates in value, and your dividend also, which is super cool. Now looking at the board members here, they have very great qualifications. It's a great team, and you can read about them in the website. I will not go into full details about the team members. Alright, so now then let's look at the partners. Their partners, they have partners here like Monitor, they have FamePass, TokenDex, and it is a very, very super cool project, guys. Then we look at the sales. So guys, let's take a look at the key features here. On the first we have here, it has active 60 million valid business, and what they're just raising in this ICO is $55 million. Alright, so now the second thing we have there, the number two thing we have there, 7% of the sales are being paid out to token holders, which is you and I. Super, right? Making sense. Fantastic. Now the experienced all-star team with 3 years token lock, which is very, very wonderful about this ICO. Right now, it is a market with projection of $215 billion target. Right, the target for this market is $215 billion. That's wonderful. Now, according to them, they say that innovation is in our DNA. Okay, so that's super great. Now, so guys, you can check out the website on the description of this video down below. All right, go through it and get more information. You can download the white paper and study it carefully. All right, so if you like this video, guys, smash up the like button. Smash up the like button. Okay, now drop your comments in the comment box below, and then let me know your thoughts. If you love this video, give it a thumbs up. Alright, then if you have not subscribed to my channel, please click on the red button, on the subscribe button, and subscribe to my channel, and then to get more videos. Alright, so you can also join my Facebook group, Cryptocurrency Investment and ICO Reviews. Alright, it is also in the description of this video. Now guys, so this is all I have for you for today. Thanks guys for watching. I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Alright.